Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I post 2 videos every single week. And to my over 400 subscribers, thank you for always being amazing. God bless you. Today we are making something Ghanaian. Yes, it is kokoto, mashed ripe plantain for our toddlers. Please stick and stay and let's enjoy this video. For this recipe, I'll be using ripe plantain, so I picked the ones that are firm, but if you're cooking for a younger toddler, you might want to use plantain that is a little softer so it's easier for them to swallow. I will also use some onions, green pepper, that's kpakposhito, and some salt. I will also use an egg. I will also need some palm oil. And lastly, some peanut butter or groundnut paste. So we'll start off by peeling our ripe plantain, which I've already washed. Then I'll go ahead and cut them up into smaller pieces. I will then go ahead and add some water, enough to cover the plantain, and then I'll add in my egg and let this cook for about 10 minutes. So in the meantime, I'll heat up my palm oil. So I usually do this when I am left with about 3 minutes to get the plantain off the fire. Then I'll add in my chopped onions and allow them to fry for maybe about 3 minutes. So by this time, my plantain should be cooked. So I'll go ahead and start by grinding my kpakposhito. We are using our local asanka for this recipe. Then I'll go ahead and add my heated palm oil and onions. So you can grind the onions without having to fry them first, but this is how I prefer to do mine. I'll go ahead and add some salt to taste. Then I'll go ahead and add my peanut butter. So here you can add roasted groundnuts if you wish. But if you're making this for a younger toddler, make sure to grind it in very well. At this point, my plantains will start going in one after the other so that we are sure that we are grinding them properly. Simple and short, this is a favorite in my home, and I hope you try some for your older bloomers so that they will enjoy this as well. As you're grinding, you would want to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. So our etor is ready now. I will be serving mine with boiled egg. Leave me a thumbs up and the comments down below so I know you enjoyed this video. And I hope you try this for your bloomers at home as well. Plantains are in season. Definitely abuse them. So as promised, I'll see you again on Wednesday, but this time with another nutritiously yummy homemade food. Till then, keep blooming.